your feathers? Are you cleaning your feathers, little baby? Look at the pretty feathers. Oh my goodness. Alfi, look at your pretty feathers. Look at your cute little feathers. He got blue feathers on his wingtips. And then he has green wings. See the blue at the end. It's so cute. He's the cutest little baby. He has a red tail. Look at your pretty feathers. Oh my goodness. Alfi, are you showing off? Are you being a show off, Alfi? Alfi's being a show off. Yeah, look at your little, look at your little feathers. Look at them. Oh my goodness. Are you pretty, Alfi? Are you the pretty boy? Oh my goodness. Look at your little red cheeks. You got natural blush, Alfi. You're just a natural beauty, Alfi. Hey, get out of there. Alfi. Alfi. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look how fluffy you are, Alfi. You're just a little fluffy conure. And his little hair nest. He's in his little hair nest. Right, Alfi? Look at your pretty wings. Hey, Alfi. You got the pretty wings. Preening yourself all the time because you got so many new feathers coming in. Prettiest boy in the whole world. Yes. Oh, he said bye. Bye-bye.